What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, for those that are new, my name is Aaliyah and this is As Always Aaliyah. I do natural hair care videos, so today will be the next video in my hair series for the natural hair product pair, where I take products from different lines and pair them together. Now, today I will be doing a-maz-zon Hair Day and the Melanin Hair Care Elongating Cream. Okay guys, so before we get started, I do want to go ahead and let you know what I used in the shower. I did use the shampoo from the a-maz-zon Hair Day. Again, this is from the Main Choice. It is her newest collection that did drop. After the shampoo, I did go in with the mask that's also in the line. And then lastly, I left the shower with the leave-in that's also in the a-maz-zon Hair Day line. So that's everything that I had in the shower, and I will be going in today with the gel from the a-maz-zon Hair Day and also Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream. I'll be pairing these two products together to see if they work. And I will be doing a braid out today. So I decided to do a braid out because we're kind of just stuck in the house, and braid outs usually take a long time to dry, so why not do a braid out, keep my hair up for a few days. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair out of the towel now. This is what we're working with. I love when I take my hair out of the not the towel, but I have a cotton t-shirt here that I use. It smells so good. Like, seriously, it smells so good. I never have a comb, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start parting. We could part on this side. Alright guys, so I do have my parts ready to go in the section out ready in the back. Instead of parting a part straight down my head in the back, I part horizontal lines, and that makes it easier for me because my hair is now fuller when I take it out and there's no weird parts in the middle of my head. So I do horizontal instead of like parting in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a big old chunk. So here is the gel. Now, if you guys have not seen my full review on this, wow, look at that gel. I'll link it in the description below so you guys can watch it. It's awesome. I love it. And we also have the Melanin Hair Care. I don't have none left, guys, but this will be enough to use for my braid out because this is so moisturizing. You don't need a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and first with the cream. I'm just going to take a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the gel. Now, at this point, I do have my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just make sure all the tangles are out. I did detangle my hair in the shower, so the brush just glides right through. I'm going to go ahead and start braiding this up. Guys, this is not a tutorial on how to braid hair. If there are plenty of how to braid tutorial videos out there, this is not one of them, but I'm just going to show you guys how I do what I do. Okay, so that was the first one. I'm definitely excited to see how this is going to dry and turn out. This is like a medium-sized braid. It's not small or jumbo or large or anything. And I'm going to go ahead and split this back section right in half and keep going. Alright guys, there you have it. My hair is fully done. It's going to look a little bit more residuey and white on this side and also on this side as well. But I'm going to go ahead and just allow this to sit, and I will come back when it's fully dry. I might perm wrap my ends before I go to bed just so I can make sure they are nice and spirally. But you can see this is the final look, and I'm actually really digging this. So I will see you guys soon. What's up guys? I am finally back. It's been about 2 days since these braids have been in my hair, and might I say I've been loving it. I love braids. They look so cute on me. I've just been kind of chilling in the house anyway, so it's a great protective style. I did moisturize my hair with the fresh herbs and Ayurvedic oil, and now I'm ready to take them out. Let's get started. It took longer for me to take the braids out than to put the braids in. Oh my goodness, but this is the final look. I am finally done. I'm literally like feeling to see if I have any braids left, but I don't. I love how crinkly my hair looks, how shiny my hair looks. Like, braid outs are definitely one of my go-tos when you have some time. This took some time, honey. It took some time. So guys, this is my second video in my series of natural hair product pair, where we paired together the Main Choice a-maz-zon Hair Day Gel along with the Melanin Hair Care Elongating Cream. These work together so well, and I was so nervous because when I first put the braids in, they were like so creamy, and I didn't know if they were going to dry or flake, but there's no flakes in my hair. These work together very well, and I would highly recommend them. Alright guys, you have seen my look start to finish on how I do my braid out. I'm so excited. Please keep subscribing, liking, sharing this natural hair YouTube channel, because my name is Aaliyah, and this is as always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.